How to attempt quizzes and code challenges on Sololearn. Want to test your coding skills and learn faster? Attempting quizzes and code challenges on Sololearn is a fun and effective way. First, open the Sololearn app on your device and tap the Learn tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you see sections labeled quizzes and code challenges. Pick a quiz or challenge that matches your current skill level or the language you want to practice. Read each question carefully, then type your answer or code directly in the provided space. Submit your answers to get instant feedback and see explanation for any mistakes. This helps you improve quickly and build confidence in your coding abilities. Make it a habit to attempt challenges daily to sharpen your skills and track your progress. Have you tried any Sololearn quizzes or challenges? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.